Yum. Very good. Ayan na yung talong, guys. Pinaano natin. Na guys, medyo luto-luto na siya dito. Kita nyo ba yan? Yan. So, wag natin siyang iwan, guys. Babantayan po natin siya para hindi po siya masunog. Yes. So, ayan guys, nakita na natin na nagbubukas na siya. So, it means ready na siya, guys. So, sa likod na lang, iikutin lang natin, guys, ha. Sa likod, palulutuin natin yung likuran. Habang yung isa dito is ganun din. So, here's our talong, guys. Ayan. Tapos na siya. And then, tatanggalin natin, guys. Medyo mainit pa. So, ganito natin, guys. Ayan. Ganyan-ganyan lang natin. Slowly and slowly. Ayan. Slowly and slowly. So, guys, I need 2 eggs. This is the eggs. 1 and 2. Well, yan. Let's move like that. Let's move. Ayan. Let's move. And let's put this inside here. Ayan. Yung itlog at talong. Yan. So, guys, this is the talong, and eggs. Yan, i-mix natin yan dyan. Yan. Nagka-mix na yan. Baliktad. Hindi ako naglagay ng onion. I like onion, but the kids doesn't like it. Let's put it, guys. Yeah. Ayan ang ating talongs. Guys, push the oil, guys. Push the oil. Push. Yan. Let's put some. Look, guys, nabaliktad ko siya, guys. Hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ko siya binaliktad kasi hindi ko kaya ng isang kamay lang. Dapat 2 kamay, guys. Kaya, anyway, ayan, lulutuin natin yung kabila niya, guys. Yan yung kabila niya. Yan. Yan, guys, ang bango.